the power of the human mind is amazing, and if you can optimize yours to think about the things that you want, you're going to get more of that, because we kind of become what we think about, if you've ever heard people say that. And I'll give you a simple example. If you can just imagine, or you can do this, close your eyes and put one hand up like this, one hand down like this, and just close your eyes and imagine that the hand that's facing up, that we're putting some books, some heavy books on there, and more books. And imagine that the other hand, we're tying a little string to it, and we have a helium balloon right there, and we fill it up completely with helium. And then imagine that every second that passes, you get another book put on that hand that's facing up, and you get another helium balloon tied to that hand that's facing down. And you may notice that as you just imagine what the helium would do to your hand and what the books would do to your other hand, if you were to open your eyes right now, you may realize that your hands are kind of like this. Like one of them is raised up, the other one is down, and that is only because of something that was simply happening in your imagination. I didn't tell you let your hand come down. I didn't tell you lift your other hand up. All I said was imagine what if you had a book there, or 2 books or 3 books, and that in turn made you remember what it's like to have something heavy on your hand, and your unconscious allowed you to push your hand down. Now, the thing that's important about this is that many times what we focus on is the wrong thing. We focus on the things that we don't want. When you ask somebody, hey, what is it that you want to do here? And they go, well, I don't want this, I don't want this, I don't want this, right? And what's happening is that their mind is focusing on that thing and is creating more of that. It's the same way that a professional athlete finishes their race or finishes their competition, and they get asked, hey, how did you do it? And they're like, well, I've done this so many times. I've visualized this so many times, so clearly in my mind that it's like I was just going through the same motions. Well, this is what it's all about. It's about creating real results from imaginary events. So you visualize clearly enough to enough detail, you get your senses involved. So you think about what it looks like, what it smells like, what it tastes like, what it will feel like, and that is going to create an experience that is actually going to turn out to be real for you. There it is, real results from imaginary events.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.